Did you know the deadliest chemical weapon ever created was designed to be completely invisible to the world? In the 1970s, Soviet scientists secretly developed Novichok, a nerve agent 10 times more lethal than anything before it. Just a few grains of salt worth could contaminate entire city blocks. The weapon was engineered to bypass every international treaty and remain undetected by NATO sensors. Victims experienced complete nervous system failure while staying fully conscious throughout. In 2018, the world saw its true horror in Salisbury, England. Russian agents smeared it on Sergei Skripal's door handle. That tiny amount nearly killed multiple people and required hazmat teams to decontaminate the entire area. The most terrifying part? Novichok remains lethal for decades in the environment. It represents the ultimate violation of international law, a weapon so deadly that touching a contaminated surface means certain death within minutes. The perfect tool for state-sponsored assassination.